Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Brothers and sisters, we are now on the 18th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Once we look around, turn on the radio or television, or open our social media platforms, we immediately notice the prevailing truth. There is so much hunger in our world. One of the deepest hungers of the human heart is not for food, but for love, meaning, hope, and acceptance. Last Sunday, Jesus presented us with what matters most in life. He offers Himself as the pearl of great price. Receiving Him is free. Kusang loob niyang ibinibigay ang kanyang sarili at buong-buo siyang nagbibigay para sa ating pangangailangan. The prophet Isaiah in our first reading today invites us, "Come to the water, come receive without paying." This is the wonderful invitation reminding us that the Lord provides and offers us what we need without cost. Ito ang paalala na ang mga mahalagang bagay ay hindi nabibili sa salapi. Things of great value are freely given by our generous God. In the Gospel, we hear the account commonly known as the miracle of the multiplication of loaves and fish. Before the miracle, Jesus sees a hungry crowd. Instead of dismissing them and asking them to find something to eat, He tells His disciples to give them something to eat themselves. This encounter reminds us that our Lord sees us. He knows our hunger and what we need. His request that the disciples give the crowd something to eat is God's providential way of reminding us that it is our mission to help those in need. But His disciples see only 5 loaves and 2 fish. Kulang, kakarampot para sa napakaraming pakakainin. This is a common tendency when we focus more on problems than on solutions. A feeling of inadequacy arises when we highlight problems instead of seeking solutions. Sometimes when we feel that our resources, means, and time are insufficient to make a difference in the lives of others, especially when compared with the vast ocean of difficulties, pain, and suffering we face. But let us not forget that what is little in our hands, once offered to the Lord, can create an avalanche of miracles and make a difference in the lives of other people. Makikita natin na sa kabila ng korupsyon at kasamaan sa mundo, marami pa rin sa atin ang nagpapagamit sa Diyos upang suguin at tumulong sa ating kapwa. Sa panahon ng krisis, nabubuhay ang diwa ng bayanihan, pagtutulungan at malasakit natin sa isa't isa. Ang hindi mabilang ng mga taong namumukod-tangi sa pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan ay ang mga buhay na kwento ng mga himala ng Ebanghelyo na patuloy na nagaganap sa ating panahon. In the Mass, our Lord takes ordinary bread again, blesses it, breaks it, and gives it to us. This is proof that the Lord never leaves us hungry. He continues to feed us with nothing less than Himself. Brothers and sisters, we may have little in our hands, but if we place it in the hands of God, it will always be enough. Let us not underestimate the power of generosity, because in God's hands, small acts of kindness can create ripples of miracles that feed the whole world. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.